Being part of the project, what really made you to be part of the project? तो subject particularly body shaming,
जी
वो कितना आपको excite किया कि एक ऐसा subject जो शायद reality है society में?
बहुत एक्साइट किया है मुझे बिकॉज आई फील दैट दिस इज़ अ वंडरफुल मैसेज दैट नीड्स टू रीच एज मेनी पीपल एज पॉसिबल एंड चेंज द आउटलुक ऑफ पीपल एट अ यंग एज where they realize that how it affects people when you say things to them and how it affects their self confidence. People need to be aware of that, and that's what excited me about this film.
You also been so successful in the South industry. I mean, what really made you part of the project? What was so
First,
exciting about the subject?
yeah. First of all, the main thing is that I'm really lucky to be a part of Bollywood industry, which I really never dreamt of, and that has come true. And I'm debuting here. That is the biggest thing that could happen, and that too with two big stars and such a good script, which is putting out a very good message to the society and people around there. So that is what made me really happy.
Then you're very lucky to be debuting with Salman Khan production.
Yes.
How do you credit your success or your journey to Salman sir?
I will always owe everything I become in this field to Salman Khan.
And particularly yourself as an actor, what do you
जी.
think about your potential, your strength?
I feel I have lots of potential, and I just hope all producers and directors see that as well. भरपूर potential है, भर के potential है, तो please notice कीजिए, ये film देख लीजिए, and yeah, I hope if it's my destiny, and I consider myself quite lucky, I hope I get the films that I want, and I become a big star and sell lots and lots of tickets.
And in today's time, female centric subject या female characters को बहुत value किया जाता है, वो
जी.
कितनी अच्छी बात है क्योंकि ऐसा माना जाता है कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री मेल कैरेक्टर्स डोमिनेट करता है या हीरोज डोमिनेट करते हैं. What do you say about it?
आई थिंक वो वक्त बहुत टाइम पहले था. बहुत टाइम से women led films are doing wonderfully well, and as long as it's made well, I think it will always do well. It doesn't matter if it's a guy or a girl who's leading the film. So as long as the content is strong,
Exactly.
you know, there's this whole debate about South and Bollywood also. I think a good film is a good film any part of the world. So the same way, a good film is a good film if it's led by a girl or a guy.
And related to the South industry, and in today's time, all the South films are doing well. Not even,
Yeah.
success of Pushpa or Tripola. So what also कितना अच्छी बात है कि एक मतलब जो South industry रीजनल सिनेमा कहते हैं, तो हिंदी सिनेमा और रीजनल सिनेमा एक इंडियन सिनेमा कह सकते हैं आप मिला के अगर कहा जाए तो it's together like an Indian cinema.
Yeah, see, the most important thing right now, what I would like to say is back then there was a separation between like South movies, Telugu movies, Tamil movies, everything was like separate. Now slowly things have changed and everybody have started looking for very good content, more than language, because everywhere it is always, I mean, what I've realized is when it comes to Indian cinema, there are songs in the movie, emotions, everything are same, similar. Let it be love, let it be a sad scene or anything. So all that people are looking for is very good content, and today even in Double XL, as I've told in all the other interviews also, the most important thing is today Mudassir Aziz has written this script so beautifully and Satram sir has directed it. In this movie they've put in a Tamil character who speaks Hindi and Tamil both, and even the songs have been mixed in Tamil and Hindi. So that excites me more because we are all one is what I feel.
Even your blockbuster is doing very well on the digital channel.
Yes.
तो उसको लेकर कितनी खुशी मिल रही है, कितना अच्छा है.
बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही है. It's doing really well on all the platforms, and it's continuously growing every single day. So I am very excited about it, with the reach that is received and the love that has been showered upon me.
Finally, one thing you want to tell to watch this film, क्या कारण होगा कि ये फिल्म देखें दर्शक और appreciate करें?
आप ये फिल्म देखिए क्योंकि ये एंटरटेनिंग है. ये एक आउट एंड आउट एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है. इसका जो मैसेज है और जो कहना चाहते हैं वो शायद आपको 2 दिन बाद 3 बाद रियलाइज़ हो, लेकिन जब आप थिएटर में बैठोगे आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ एंटरटेन होंगे.
What do you say?
So first thing, watch because I'm there in it.
Me also.
And, so we all have like put in our effort and we've really done our best heartfully, and with so much love we've done this movie, and it'll 100% from kids to elders to every person in this world, whoever watches the movie, they'll be very happy to watch this movie and it'll give them some kind of confidence in life.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.